What is this?
Put out.
What? No. Tell mommy. Here. Okay, look up, David.
What out?
No, the sun is on this side. What do you have in there?
Out. No.
No, what do you have in your hand? What is it? Right there. What is that?
Right there.
Right there. What is that?
Apple.
Apple. Where are you going? Peanut took this? Is it dirty? What do you want mommy to do? To clean it? Well, let's go clean it.
Go clean it. Put it in there. Put it in there. Take in. Keep this. Keep this. Keep this.
Clean this?
Mommy, keep this. Side.
You have to say please.
Say please.
All right, mommy will clean this, please.
Okay. What? Mommy. What? Mommy. Okay.
David, can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, girl.
Say love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.